Hi there, my name is Ashley Hubbard, health and diet coach, and in today's video I am going to teach you about eating to lose weight quickly. Now, it does not matter where you are right now, all of the tips and advice within this tutorial will help you lose weight faster. Please do make sure you watch this video fully from beginning to end because it will help you improve your present results. So if you're interested, keep watching. Now, before I get into the tutorial, a very warm welcome to this Eating to Lose Weight video presentation. My name is Ashley Hubbard. That is me there in the centre of the screen. I've been helping people to lose weight for a number of years, and I do that by always giving you valuable tips and advice that you can't find anywhere else. On that basis, please make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking the red button below the video, and then you're not going to miss out on any of the tutorial videos that I upload. Please also make sure you give the video a like because that tells me you enjoy the content and I will therefore spend more time creating it for you. Let's get into the tutorial. Here we go. You see, I believe if you have the right guidance and you can follow some simple instructions, you can make some incredible things happen. I will now give you some tips and advice that I have about eating to lose weight to help you improve your present results and to help you lose weight quicker. I would like to start by telling you a basic truth. There is no one-size-fits-all solution to permanent healthy weight loss. What works for one person may not work for you, since our bodies respond differently to different foods depending on genetics and other health factors. To find the method of weight loss that's right for you will likely take some time and require patience, commitment, and some experimentation with different foods and diets. So I recommend you stay open to new ideas. While some people respond well to counting calories or similar restrictive methods, others respond better to having more freedom in planning their weight loss programs. Being free to simply avoid fried foods or cut back on refined carbs can set them up for success. So I don't want you to get too discouraged if a diet that worked for someone else doesn't work for you. And please don't beat yourself up if a diet proves too restrictive for you to stick with. Ultimately, a diet is only right for you if it's the one you can stick with over time. I want you to remember this. While there's no easy fix to losing weight, there are plenty of steps you can take to develop a healthier relationship with food, curb emotional triggers to overeating, and achieve a healthy weight. Tip number 1. Reduce unhealthy fats in your diet. It's now a popular mainstay of many diets. If you don't want to get fat, then don't eat fat. If you walk down any grocery store aisle, you will be bombarded with reduced fat snacks, dairy and packaged meals. But while our low-fat options have exploded, so have obesity rates. Did you know that not all fat is bad? Healthy or good fats can actually help to control your weight, as well as manage your moods and fight fatigue. Unsaturated fats found in avocados, nuts, seeds, soy milk, tofu and fatty fish can help fill you up, while adding a little tasty olive oil to a plate of vegetables, for example, can make it easier to eat healthy food and improve the overall quality of your diet. I highly advise that you focus on healthy food swaps. Many of us make the mistake of swapping fat for the empty calories of sugar and refined carbohydrates. Instead of eating whole fat yogurt, for example, we eat low or non-fat versions that are packed with sugar to make up for the loss of taste. Or we swap our fatty breakfast bacon for a muffin or donut that causes rapid spikes in blood sugar. Now please don't go anywhere because I still have more key tips to give you, but when you are ready, click the link below the video and it will take you through to my website. You can find the website link at the bottom of the screen you are looking at right now. On the website, you can get your custom keto diet plan for weight loss within a few minutes from now. This program has literally helped hundreds of people achieve success. I am now going to give you some more key tips and advice, so please stay tuned. Tip number 2. Take control of your food environment. You can set yourself up for weight loss success by taking charge of your food environment. This is when you eat, how much you eat, and what foods you make easily available. Here are a few tips that I want to share with you to help you do this. You can cook your own meals at home. This allows you to control both portion size and what goes into the food. Restaurant and packaged foods generally contain a lot more sugar, unhealthy fat and calories than food cooked at home, plus the portion sizes tend to be larger. You can serve yourself smaller portions. Use small plates, bowls and cups to make your portions appear larger. Don't eat out of large bowls or directly from food containers, which makes it difficult to assess how much you've eaten. You can eat early. Studies suggest that consuming more of your daily calories at breakfast and fewer at dinner can help you drop more pounds. Eating a larger, healthy breakfast can jumpstart your metabolism, stop you from feeling hungry during the day, and give you more time to burn off the calories. You can plan your meals and snacks ahead of time. You can create your own small portion snacks in plastic bags or containers. Eating on a schedule will help you avoid eating when you aren't really hungry. You should drink more water. Thirst can often be confused with hunger, so by drinking water you can avoid extra calories. Limit the amount of tempting foods you have at home. If you share a kitchen with non-dieters, you can store indulgent foods out of sight. Tip number 3. Include more fruit, veggies and fibre in your meals. Even if you're cutting calories, that doesn't necessarily mean you have to eat less food. High fibre foods such as fruit, vegetables, beans and whole grains are higher in volume and take longer to digest, making them filling and great for weight loss. It's generally okay to eat as much fresh fruit and non-starchy vegetables as you want. You'll feel full before you've overdone it on the calories. Eat vegetables raw or steamed, not fried or breaded, and dress them with herbs and spices or a little olive oil for flavour. You can add fruit to low sugar cereal, such as blueberries, strawberries, sliced bananas. You'll still enjoy lots of sweetness, but with fewer calories, less sugar and more fibre. You can bulk out sandwiches by adding healthy veggie choices like tomatoes, lettuce, sprouts, cucumbers and avocado. You can snack on carrots or celery with hummus instead of a high-calorie chips and dip. You can add more veggies to your favourite main courses to make your dish more substantial. Even pasta and stir-fries can be diet-friendly if you use less noodles and more vegetables. You can start your meal with salad or vegetable soup to help fill you up so you eat less of your main meal. So now, I would like to ask you a quick question. What video topic would you like to see next? You can tell us right away. Please just leave a comment below the video. Now, if you want a complete diet plan to lose weight quickly, I recommend you click the link below the video where you'll be taken to my website. The website link is at the bottom of the screen you are looking at right now. On the website, you'll be able to get your custom keto diet plan for weight loss literally within minutes from now. Literally hundreds of people have had success with this program, and I would like you to get yourself on this plan so that you can put yourself in a stronger and better position so that you can lose weight quicker. So it's definitely worth you taking the time to check it out. You can find out more about this program by clicking the link in the description box below this video. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. You can subscribe right now by clicking the big red button below this video. Please connect with us on Facebook. The Facebook link is in the description below the video. Please do give the video a like, because if I see people liking the videos, I will create more for you. Thank you very much for watching and supporting the channel, and I wish you all the best for your weight loss plan. Have a brilliant day. Thank you.